So Paschal Donohoe is leaving the national stage. Standing down as Finance Minister and TD for Dublin Central to take up the second most powerful role at the World Bank in Washington, D.C., focus has already turned to his legacy. The first thing to say is that the Dublin Central TD, with perhaps the exception of Taoiseach Micheál Martin, was the most respected member of the Cabinet, and his departure marks the end of an era. Such was his influence over the direction of the Irish economy and its fiscal policy in recent years. Defined by the scarring impact of the recession, Donohoe repeatedly made the case for a centrist approach to responsible management of the public finances throughout his tenure in government. Appointed to Cabinet in 2014 by Enda Kenny and Finance Minister in 2017, his was a career in national politics curiously devoid of drama, but not without incident. Controversy emerged in early 2023 when he admitted he had failed to declare the €1,000 net cost of assistance given to him by a firm headed by businessman Michael Stone for the erection of his election posters in the 2020 general election. But if domestically Mr Donohoe came in for criticism repeatedly from the opposition over his fiscal conservatism, for not always going far enough during the pandemic or at the height of the energy crisis arising from the war in Ukraine, internationally his reputation was growing. Appointed as president of the Eurogroup in July 2020, his link to the top job at the International Monetary Fund in late 2023 cemented his place as a highly regarded and capable politician, but one who never held the ambition to take on the highest office back home. It was a question that dogged him repeatedly since 2016 towards the tail end of the Enda Kenny era, and one to which the answer was always the same. He never wanted to be Fine Gael leader or Taoiseach. The government has now lost its most respected cabinet minister. And for a coalition that has never fully bedded in, his departure for Washington, D.C. fundamentally shifts the dynamic. As the government parties face into two by-elections next year, they have no guarantee of winning.